In this video I'm going to show you how to get Nitro on Discord. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Discord, after that hit on this three lines icon and next hit on your profile picture right there. And now on that screen hit on Get Nitro. Now there you can read more about what Nitro is, and there you can select between Discord Nitro and Nitro Classic. Here you can read more about what Nitro Classic is and what Nitro is. And after that select one of them and subscribe on Discord Nitro or Nitro Classic. That's how it works, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.